Hi, welcome to PRISMA Video Review. In today's fast-moving development landscape, juggling, object relational mapping, migrations, queries, and performance tuning can feel overwhelming, especially when your real goal is shaping features users care about. With a platform that abstracts complexity while keeping flexibility intact, actually strike the right balance. In this review, we'll unpack what Prisma offers, its pricing options, and share real user feedback. So stick around to the end as we explore how Prisma can elevate your backend workflow and when traditional SQL mastery still pays off. Before we dive deeper, here's a quick overview of Prisma. Prisma is a next-generation open-source object relational mapping tool for Node.js and JavaScript developers. It provides a type-safe database client, automated schema migration, and tools like Prisma Studio to model and interact with database data more intuitively than traditional ORMs. Next up, let's take a closer look at what Prisma offers. 1. It lets you define your entire database structure in a single, human-readable schema files, ensuring you have a clear, single source of truth for your application's data models. By defining your models, relationships, and attributes in one central file, you ensure that every developer on your team understands exactly how your data is structured, making onboarding and long-term maintenance much simpler. 2. It allows you to interact with your database using your preferred programming language instead of writing raw SQL, which gives you the power to build features faster while staying within a natural coding flow. This means you can use familiar object-oriented syntax to find, create, or update records. Because the client is tailored specifically for your schema, it feels like a native part of your code base, significantly reducing the cognitive load required to handle even the most complex relational data queries. 3. It lets you browse and edit your live data through a visual GUI called Prisma Studio, giving the ability to perform quick data checks and manual updates without using separate database management software. 4. It allows you to switch between different database providers like PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MongoDB with minimal configuration changes, ensuring your application remains portable and adaptable to future infrastructure needs. This portability ensures that your application is feature-proof and can grow alongside your user base without a total rewrite of your data layer. Here are what some users have said about it. This is Yuva. Yuva says, "We adopted Prisma conventions as our standard, and it saves a lot of time having from reinventing things ourselves." This is Marty. Marty says, "Thanks to Prisma, we can seamlessly scale our applications without concern about data layer performance." This is Zai. Zai says, "I love the Prisma typing system. StackAuth relies heavily on it." And this is Nicholas. Nicholas says, "It's the kind of DS that lets me get stuff done in between my daughter snaps." Let's dive into the pricing and see if it's worth the investment. Prisma offers various pricing plans to accommodate different user needs. However, the barest minimum plan to get started with is $10 per month. I repeat, the barest minimum plan to get started with is $10 per month. If you want to see other pricing plan as to its features and to what it entails, and also to see the plan that is most suitable for your own usage, there is a link in this video description that you can actually click on to see the full pricing packages and the offers and discount that comes with it. To see the most suitable plan for your own usage, there is a link in this video description that you can actually click on to see the full pricing packages and the offers and discount that comes with it. Again, the barest minimum plan to get started with is $10 per month. Now to my personal thoughts. Having experienced Prisma coupled with the experiences of other users across other reputable platforms across the internet, I would say Prisma improves the developer experience with strong typing, auto-completion, and streamlined database workflows, making it a popular choice for modern backend development with TypeScript and Node.js. Its ORM and tooling helps teams build reliable data layer. It delivers great results and serves the intended purpose well, and of course it can be better. Having said this, if you think Prisma is something you want to try out or check out, you can click on a special link in this video description to get started at a very unusual discounted price you won't find elsewhere. If you think Prisma is something you want to try out or check out, you can click on the special link in this video description to get started at a very unusual discounted price you won't find elsewhere. Thank you for watching. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel.